Sir, we need to talk about Kelvin spray paint.
Yeah, sure.
But sir, it's all about complaints.
Complaints.
Yes, lots of them.
Good, let's fix them.
Yes, sure. A lot of people complain that the nozzle gets clogged after one use. Why so?
Because paint did not clog it. It's you did. See, actually, before starting the spray application, you have to shake the bottle well. Can you hear the noise? And once after completion of the spray, turn the can upside down, remove the material completely from the tube and keep it upright. This is a process.
People are saying that the finishing is not proper.
During the storage time, the material inside the bottle will be settled at the bottom and solvent will be on the upper side. So when you shake the bottle well, the material will be mixed properly. If properly mixing is not happening, finishing will not be possible.
Sir, some people says paint feels like thin.
When you are spraying the material on the surface, the distance between the spray surface and the spray bottle should be 5 to 6 cm away. This is the first aspect. Number 2, try for multiple light coats, not finished with one heavy coat. As I'll give a demo for this. If you are spraying on one point, you can see it dripping. In the same way, if you are moving the spray bottle left to right,
Why matte black sometimes looks grey?
there are two aspects in this case. One is the surface should be clean, dust free and moisture free. Number 2, it should not be hot surface. We should not apply the material on hot surfaces. It should be applied at ambient conditions. That's all.
Sir, why HR silver dries slower?
This HR silver you are talking about, na?
Right.
Don't worry. This HR silver is formulated with slow drying acrylics, which is an essential part of providing even, smooth and seamless finish. During monsoon season also, you may receive the same complaint of very slow drying time. This is because of humidity. During monsoon season, you have to spray it in a dry, well ventilated area to avoid this extra slowness of our product.
Sir, what about fading under strong sunlight?
Oh, see, this is not possible in our case. All our paints are formulated with UV resistant chemicals. If it is fading means you haven't coated the surface properly. That's all.
Why paints spread wider than expected?
Oh, is it complaint? It is our efficiency. See, spray it on proper distance, that means 5 cm from surface. Hand movement, it should be proper. And don't focus on one spot. That's all.
Oh, thank you.
So sir, that basically means the paint isn't the problem.
Yeah, right usage, good result.